Alright, so today we were out on the Heart Lake yet again. I'm out here by myself. It's getting a little bit warmer. I know I got a jacket on, it's just because there's a little bit of a wind coming in. But other than that, should be a fun time. See if we can't get some fish for y'all. Well, I was on my first cast with a crankbait, and got a juicy one. Definitely half a pound, not very big. Yeah, good fish. It's gonna be a good day. Got one. Oh, holy moly. This is not a small one. He ran right up. Oh no! Well, let's catch him again. I'm telling you guys, they're eating this chartreuse crankbait. That was a big fish. I'm gonna say that was probably 3 pounds. Gosh. I should have gotten that one. We'll get him again. Oh my. Got one. Oh my gosh. Holy, oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my, no way. Oh, I don't even know what to say right now. This is the biggest fish. I'm lightheaded. This is the biggest fish I've ever caught in my entire life. Oh my gosh. Wow. Holy crap. I do not want to get hooked. I'm shaking. I'm at a loss for words right now. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't even care. That was the biggest fish I've ever caught in my entire life. Let's catch him again. Hold on. What in the world just happened? What? No. I don't even understand right now, dude. I'm so confused. What just happened? I just caught the biggest fish of my life and did not... Not happy with myself right now. What just happened? He pulled drag. He pulled drag. Oh. Got another one. Not letting him go soon. Oh. Oh, yes. Got that one nice. Okay, got another one. That's pretty big. That's a pretty good one. That's an average size bass for this pond. I like this fish right here. Got a nice old bass right there. We'll get an official weight on him, but he's got some red lips. It's a good one. Oh. Good fish. There we go. Got it. Holy wow. That's a big freaking fish, dude. He's still alive. He's still good. Okay, let's see if we can't get a good weight on him. 2.5 pounds. Okay. A 2.5 pound fish. Just caught another one. He's a nice, healthy, I'll put him down. He's only got one hand. There's that guy. He's a nice long fish. There's my hand. He's 1, 2, whatever that is, dude. He is big. He is not small. And there are geese flying off. Okay, let's get him back in the water. There he goes. Oh, man. Oh, 4 fish. Oh, got some mud on the lens. Okay, I'm shaking right now. We have caught 4 fish today. We've lost 2 big boys, right? One over by the truck. And my biggest bass ever. I'm counting it as a catch. But dude, that's so disappointing. You saw it on the GoPro. I caught it. It is the biggest fish I have ever caught. It's an unofficial PB, but it was huge. It was chilling there. I was a scared boy. Did not want to get a hook to the hand. But next time when I catch that thing, I'm gonna name him John. Next time I catch John over there, he's not getting away scot-free like he did. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get an official weight. Let's catch some more fish. Got another one. That is a big one. That's another one, baby. That's another one. It's not necessarily the big one that I was looking for, but they are eating today, dude. Okay, chill out. The geese are back. Okay, let's get this one out. I lost track at this point. I think I got 5 or 4. So they're not yet spawning, but dude, it's been a good freaking day, man. I see some more busting too. Let's catch some more fish. I'm not even gonna get the big camera out for this bad boy. Just gonna video him on the GoPro. Still got some fight in him, I can feel it. There he goes. He's gone. I almost don't even want to stop at this point. It's like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's getting kind of dark. The sun's going down. I'm gonna fish till dark. I hope everyone knows that. This is not over. I've got 5 or 6 fish, 4, whatever the heck it is now. I got a lot of fish. Let's keep, good English, Clayton. Let's keep going. Today was the best day of fishing I've had in a very, very, very long time. I caught my PB, I think, unofficial PB, how about that? And I wore them out with one bait. It was a chartreuse crankbait. It was this. That chartreuse crankbait just absolutely killed it right now. I don't know what happened or what was going on, but those fish loved it. They killed it. So I hope that was good footage because that was so much fun. I did lose that big bass over there, but I never got a picture. The only thing I got was that GoPro rolling. I'm so happy it was rolling. Nobody would believe me. And I'm not even mad about that either. Like, I got it, I landed it. It's not like I saw it jump and then I was like, oh, that was a big one, I missed him. It's 70 degrees today. Very light wind. It just felt so good out here. The sun's going down. I've fished for probably 4. Wait, what time is it? Oh, it's 6. Well, you can't see that, but it's 6:20. 6:02. Yeah, good math. 6:02 right now. I got here about 2, so, 4 hours of fishing. I'll take that for 4 hours. No, 3 hours of fishing because I got here at 3. 3 hours of fishing, 6 or 5 fish. I don't remember. I lost count. That's a good thing. My thumbs are all screwed up. I'll see you on another episode of Goons TV. Oh.